This is pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Do keep in mind, guys, this has a lot of ads, so you may need to pretty much X off the ads or hide the ads for a minute. So as you can see here, a lot of AI features as it relates to templates. As you can see here, all I have to do is just select whichever one you want and upload your photo, and it pretty much gives you these effects. So it's just very simple to use. As you can see here, a lot of them, you have the AI figure options as well. You have the Atlantis, you have the manga, well, a lot of them, guys. So let's say, for example, you're interested in this one here. All I have to just select that one, will load up an ads, guys. This application here is full
How to
of
transform
ads.
your photo into...
It is full of ads. Once the ads is finished, you should be able to press on the X at the top here to remove the ads. So it's about to finish. You just tap on this option here and then tap on the X here. You will see an ads again. Just X off the ads as well. It will take a time to load the X. And once you have seen the X, you just tap on the X here. And you'll be able to see the section where you can use their style. So once you have seen this section here, all I have to just tap on and choose a style, and it will pretty much go into your gallery section, and all I have to do is upload a clear image of yourself and you're pretty much good to go. It will take a while to load. Once the result is pretty much fully loaded, it will let you watch an ads again to see the results. So as I said before, it has a lot of ads, guys. So you do have the option here as well. As you can see, we just X this off here. As I said, guys, it has a lot of ads, so do keep that in mind. And you can tap on the option here to see AI walkthrough, where you can put on clothes on yourself. So nothing much for that feature there. And you have another feature which can go here and check out all the AI tools that they have. So you can tap on this option here where it says AI tools. So here we able to see a lot of other AI tools which you can use. You have the AI expand, the AI image enhancer, you have the retake option, which I've pretty much reviewed an application which does that as well. You have the remove object, you have the remove background as well, or change background. So a lot of tools. So at the top here, this is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. If you want to remove all of those ads that you're while using the application, you're going to need a subscription. So this is pretty much the prices as it relates to their subscription. You have a weekly and a yearly subscription, and pretty much shows you what to be getting with their subscription. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see you again. Happy out.